now we have our prescription here. Doctor has prescribed IV gentamicin 8 milligram OD for a day. Mostly this one we are going to give to our baby, very small baby neonates, mostly prematures, who is having sepsis and other infections. Now we'll use our formula. Prescribe amount divided by what we have, that is preparation, then we are going to multiply by the dial. In our case, we have Genta, as the drug is 8 milligram, and we have the preparation which says 8 milligram per 2 mils, which means we have our dilution, which is 2 mils, but this is not the final dilution. We need to dilute further for our baby. I'm going to go to it, and our base is 80 milligram. So in the dilution, we dilute this one with 6 mils. Let's say here plus 6 mils, then we will get 8 mils. So our dilution will become 8 mils. You can watch other video that I've made show you how to dilute this, make 8 mils. So now we have all what we need to calculate our medication. Our prescribed amount is 8 milligram. So we're going to get the base, that is 80 milligram. Then the dilution is 8 mils. So if we do this mathematics, what will we get? 8 divided by 80 times 8. So what we're going to get is 0.8 mils. So this is what we're going to aspirate and give to our baby. So that is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. It's as simple as that.